In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reorder your rows so your data follows the column you care about most. This is handy when you want to view your sheet in a clear order, like by a priority column or a list of categories. First, identify the specific column you want to use for sorting. To highlight it, click directly on the column header at the top. When the column is selected correctly, the entire column will be highlighted, making it easy to see that you're working with the right one. With that column highlighted, go ahead and right-click. This opens a contextual menu that gives you quick access to actions related to your rows and data. From that menu, choose Row Actions. This is where Smartsheet groups common row-level tools so you can keep your workflow simple. In the Row Actions menu, click Sort Rows. Selecting this brings up the sorting options, and you'll see a section called Sort Items By. This is the setting that tells Smartsheet which column should control the order of your rows. Click the arrow next to Sort Items By to open the list of available columns. From that list, select column 1. Choosing column 1 means the values in that column become the basis for the new row order. Take a quick moment to confirm you've selected the correct column so your results match what you expect. When you're ready, click to apply the sort. You'll see your sheet update right away. The rows have now been rearranged so the data follows column 1. If your sheet includes text, values, numbers, or dates in column 1, the sort will reflect those values consistently across the entire row, keeping your information aligned. This is a simple, reliable way to bring structure to a busy sheet and make patterns easier to spot. A quick tip: if the column you want isn't column 1, use the same dropdown and pick the column that matches your goal. Also, if your view doesn't look right after sorting, you can always undo immediately and try again with a different column selection. Sorting affects the order of entire rows, not just the highlighted column, so your data stays together and accurate. And that's it. You highlighted your column, opened Row Actions, selected Sort Rows, chose column 1 in Sort Items By, and applied the sort. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching.